come with us as we go on a day trip to Brighton Beach. Well, not really beach, but anyways, we got there and we had to walk under this little tunnel subway situation because they were kind of busy. So we just chose to walk in at the underground something out. And there was very unpleasant smelling because the people didn't use it as their bathroom. But we move on. We just never bother walk through there. We just use the road when we go back. But yeah, we got out and it was a little chilly. We didn't expect it to be chilly, but it was a bit chilly. And bird, peer bird. I don't know, man, I just couldn't hack it. It was just too many birds for me. But it was a nice little vibe. And let's go and see what's happening. So as I said, it was a bit chilly, so I'm gonna put on my little jacket, and then I was preparing to put on the baby's sweater. You can see my sister Ruben just up below, so breezy, man, breezy. This was also for my son's birthday, so yeah, we were outside. So as you can see, a pear pebble. So that's why I said it's not really a beach, it's more seaside because beach of sun. So yeah, it's just pebbles right through, straight through.
Come down. Hey, don't turn this on. Don't turn it on. Come. Come. Come, walk like a from back there. Come, yeah. Give me on. No.
As me say, pear bird. But you might be wondering why we aren't dressed for the beach. Me not left my yard, come a foreign, come going and no sea water, no river water, nothing like that. About me and swimming. Crazy? I'm not doing that. But watch it. Pear bird. But yeah, I'm not going in there for no kind of swimming. I just come for the vibes and to just, be at one with nature a little bit. But I'm not getting into the water, sorry. So yeah, enjoy the views. Bird. That's all I could see. Then now some people in front of us, they had some food business going with them. And the bird them start swarm, the people them. What you say? All the people them want to stand up in front of it, so them start get do the pan. But me just sit on up here, son, just relax my little self. So while I sat down, the baby and his father went down to the seaside to see the water. It don't look bad, but it's just not for me. So he was excited to touch it and all of that because he's been to the beach before. I mean, I think you remember that because that was more than a year ago. So yeah, he was very excited to touch it. And he loves a splashable, so that's a plus. Then now we get too tired of this, just sit down and look and watch the bird them try to attack people. And we decided to take a little walk along the pier. We never got all the way out to the pier, out to the edge, so you see the sea. But we just walked along to just see what was about, if we could get some food, and what other attractions were there to see. Watch this Lone Ranger. And then we couldn't find nothing to eat, so we decided to go and find a McDonald's. So at this point we turned back, come up to the main road, and I tried to go find McDonald's. And then we realized that the lift or the elevator wasn't working, and we had to take the escalator with the baby. Crazy. But we found McDonald's, we eat some food, and then we come back out and continued from here. So the pier there we had the roller coaster and stuff, but we never go out there. Maybe on another trip. So we ended up going to Sea Life Aquarium Brighton, and I just feel like some things, some creatures must be left underground. Like I just go to something because what is this? But yeah, and you're gonna have to come back for the other one to see what we saw in there. Bye.